everyone, my name is Maddie and I'm currently studying abroad in France, and I thought it would be cool to show you my apartment. So I'm going to do a little bit of an apartment tour. I'm using one of the companies that my school here recommended to stay at. They have short-term housing for students, so I share an apartment with two girls. One of them has her own room, and then the other one I share this room with. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my side of the room. So when you walk in, this is my side. My favorite part, probably, of the whole apartment is my window that's right by my bed. It's great to have natural light, and then it's also a typical Parisian window. So it really emphasizes that I'm in Paris, which is great. I have some books and my book side table. Let's see. I have this little side table where I just have miscellaneous things like my backpacks and stuff like that. Turning around here, I have this dresser that I share with my roommate and just some decorations that I've gotten from my travels so far. Over here we have our, what is this, an armoire? It's basically a closet. Coming out of my room, in here we have the bathroom, pretty typical Parisian bathroom. This is our kitchen, very small. Of course there are dishes in the sink. Here is our living room. We have a window right there, drying some laundry, some chairs, some suitcases, just temporary housing things. Yeah, that was my really quick Parisian apartment tour. I hope you liked it. I really like living here. I think it's been a good experience so far. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Geo, and I will see you next week. Bye!